At the University of Auckland, we identified an online interactive learning software called H5P. H5P facilitates easy creation of richer HTML5 online content. But before we get into that, let me introduce you to the team.
Kia ora. My name is Rochelle Singleton. I teach pathology to undergraduate students on a range of clinical programs and specialty pathways.
Kia ora ana. I'm Megan Clune and I teach at the Faculty of Education and Social Work in Mathematics and Science Education.
Hi, I'm Amanda Charlton. I'm an anatomical pathologist at Auckland City Hospital.
Kia ora, my name is Monica Cam and I teach biology.
Kia ora koutou, I'm Tanisha Jowsey. I teach medical education, anthropology and qualitative research methods.
Our pre-pandemic teaching focus was learners' on-campus experiences. And that is where most teaching staff focused their skill building and teaching approaches. Within this context, we shared an interest in the use of digital pedagogies and technologies to support learning. We discovered H5P and created some online learning content, then pioneered the integration of that content into our learning management system for the first time in 2019. H5P can be used to create material that formatively assesses student learning. Automatic feedback and student engagement with H5P activities can be tracked by teachers. And teachers can see this happening in real time through H5P reports, which help to identify learner need and inform course content. In 2019, we formed a community of practice to share our learnings with this tool more widely. In early 2020, a pandemic hit and Auckland went into strict lockdown, with university campuses closed to students and all non-essential staff. We suddenly had an unprecedented need for effective online teaching strategies. Because of our expertise in designing H5P content for learning, we were well positioned to support staff and provide effective and personalised, at-the-elbow support to staff, which built staff capacity when they needed it most.
Created in H5P now and show you what it looks like in Canvas and how to access that in a license.
As you can imagine, you would just be matching anatomical structures or,
Learners loved it. Engagement increased, grades improved. We hit the top of the diffusion of innovation curve by early adopters running a series of faculty development H5P workshops. Via Zoom and in person when restrictions permitted. Our team established a virtual community of practice, supporting and encouraging each other through online informal catch-ups and content creation support sessions. And we shared our created works between staff and across faculties within the university.
So I can show them how. You don't need to retry it if you don't, right?
The bonus is that our H5P journey is a sustainable innovation, as we have now created a repository of multimedia resources, a collective library created by and for staff. The resources are available on demand as and when needed, and they can be modified. The community of practice is ensuring that staff capability is maintained, new staff are supported, and existing staff are extended. What did we learn during this process? Faculty development that aligns with staff values and capabilities is key to engagement and adoption. This must be matched by virtual communities of practice and allocated time for creation of effective online teaching material. We also learned that faculty development needs to be timely, interactive, and fun.